as I got to know that you belong to a village from Bihar and you're going to
Yes.
be the first officer from that very village who is going to join the services. So I guess you have a lot of responsibility as of now.
Yes, ma'am. In that section, sometime I used to write some Bollywood kinds of story like first hero आएगा, then वो save करेगा, problem को solve करेगा, then वो hero बन जाएगा. So this was the problem I was facing. Ma'am, those candidates who are watching our interview, they have already got an idea about my English speaking skills.
Hi, Wasim. How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. I'm doing well.
It feels so good. It's my pleasure to have you finally on Insight SSB YouTube channel as one of our students who has made Insight SSB so proud. Being that you have got recommended for NDA entry and finally you are going to join NDA very soon as you got Meriton. So how do you feel about it?
It feels great, ma'am. I'm joining. Maybe the call letter come in few weeks, so I'm looking
Okay.
forward to join it.
Of course, it is one of the greatest academies I feel that you're going to join very soon. And as I got to know that you belong to a village from Bihar and you're going to
Yes,
be the first officer from that very village who is going to join the services. So I guess you have a lot of responsibility as of now.
yes, ma'am. A lot of. I have to guide many peoples from that area. It's a
Wow.
responsibility on me so that I can guide them.
It feels so good, Wasim, that कि आज की date में you are standing at a position where you can help so many people. Not you're not only going to affect your family, instead you're going to touch so many different lives and help them out to do better in their lives. Now, Wasim, I would like to know one thing that there had been lots and lots of ups and downs in your life also. So, as we discussed while we were preparing for SSB, the first thing being that आपकी जो basic education रही है, that was from the village, and later on you shifted from your village to a city for the better education. But certainly, from getting almost 89% in your 10th class and then dropping it down till 72% in your 12th, and a lot of students have this kind of a thing that my marks are very less and that will hamper my recommendation. What do you feel about it?
Ma'am, I think it only hampers when you are while you preparing for written, because only there it required you to be the knowledgeable person to clear the written cutoff. But after that, ma'am, SSB is all about personality and the quality or traits you have in. So that which the thing is you have to fulfill the criteria of SSB, then you will get recommended. So it doesn't hamper anyhow the marks of your class 10th or 12th in your SSB, ma'am.
Okay. So do you feel that there is any major, problem that is created by the marks? Because interviewing officer do tend to ask this question, and he must have asked you too, that why there is a sudden drop of so many marks in your 10th, sorry, in your 12th, and as compared to 10th. So he tend to ask these kind of questions. So how you tackle these kind of questions?
Ma'am, uh, everyone has some genuine reason behind it. So I also have. So that's why I told the interviewer clearly that that was the problem with me. So he
Hmm.
understood my situation. So if you're gonna lie there, they will catch. If you are gonna tell him the truth, so it will be okay with it. So that's not a big problem, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the second thing, in the first attempt when you went for your SSB, you got conferenced out, and
Yes.
that, of course, shook you a little. That will I be able to make it through or not? So then you came to the second platform because first time also you took a little bit of guidance, and thereafter you came to Insight SSB for the guidance purpose. So how you got to know about Insight SSB and how it helped you?
Ma'am, I got to know about Inside SSB from YouTube, and then I enrolled in its courses for my preparation of SSB. First, I took the screening course, and then I took psychology course, and there was one more interview personal interview course. So these three courses I bought, and it has started helping me in finding the small mistakes which I made in the earlier attempt. So I gone through all the courses and understood it very well, and that's how it helped me out in the SSB, ma'am.
Okay. And thereafter, you were there enrolled in my personal guidance also, in which I
Yes,
helped you in assessing your psychology. I took your interview, other things were there, SRT, VAT, a lot of things were there. So, how do you feel that it molded you? It helped you in inculcating those OLQs that are required to clear the SSB?
ma'am. I think, and the most person will agree with it. Knowledge is available everywhere. We can find the guidance for the screening on internet also. But the ma'am, main thing is that the check on that things. Uh, in your program for personal guidance, you continuously check my things what where I am doing wrong. So that's the very important thing, ma'am, because the candidates who uh, generally prepare for SSB without any guidance, they generally do whatever they feel is right. But the thing which we feel right is not always right. So we have to look after that. So you played that role. In my case, you checked everything for me so that I can go on the right path. So that's how it helps me out, ma'am.
So, if I talk about that, were what were the problem areas? Because आपने पहले भी SSP दिया था, and secondly, again, you gave the SSP. So you must have got to know that certain areas, like there were certain areas in psych where you were going really bad, or maybe certain areas where you didn't know, okay, this is the way we need to deal the situation, even after being the fact that you had those OLQs, because it is not always like that. If you have OLQs, you're able to showcase it. Finally, having OLQs and showcasing it through psychology and your ground task and interview, that also plays a very, very important role. So how do you feel that these were the areas where I was lacking, and finally this is how I improved upon it so that it may help other candidates also?
Ma'am, I'll talk about two things. First, one, the psychology part. I really was getting problem in writing WAT, ma'am. So in your course, I found the way how should I write proceed towards the uh, WAT, because I used to write very lengthy sentences, and sometimes it was not showing the right thing of about me. So these are the thing I found in the psychology section for WAT, and for story writing or TAT, ma'am. In that section, sometime I used to write some Bollywood kinds of story like first hero आएगा, then वो save करेगा, problem को solve करेगा, then वो hero बन जाएगा. So this was the problem I was facing. But this is very wrong approach. We have to create such kind of problem which are solvable. Sometimes I used to create very big blunder, so and it was very problematic to solve. So it gives a slight information about me that I am a negative thinker, something like that. So these are the area in which ma'am psychology course help me out. And the other thing is, ma'am, the interview part. uh, Mock interview is very important for I think every candidate, बिकॉज जब उस वक्त हमें पता चलता है कि कौन से क्वेश्चन हम आंसर नहीं कर पाएंगे, सो देन वी कैन फ्रेम आंसर्स फॉर दोज क्वेश्चन. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट एवरी कैंडिडेट should if he or she can afford, then he should go for the mock interview so that he can know where he's lacking and what questions actually.
I agree, Wasim, that self introspection is very, very important when it comes to interview. There are a lot of students that who they are not able to understand where they are lacking, and even if they are getting struck somewhere, they don't understand why they are getting struck. So of course you need a guide for that. There is of course a difference between coaching and guidance.
Guidance.
Wasim, right? Wasim,
Ma'am, I
when I
would like
talk,
to add one thing more. You
yes.
told about self-introspection. So I told that in interview, some question we are not able to answer, so we have to frame answers for that. So
Right.
after mock interview, we got time, or we got to know about that. These are the question in which we have to do self-introspect. So that's why I raised that point, ma'am.
Exactly. I got that point, what you meant to say by that. And one more thing, Basim, like when I saw your stories initially, according to psychology, those things were moving in some other direction. And when I had, personal interaction with you, when I had a word with you, I found out that you're a different kind of a person. So, of course, your psyche was quite hampered. And later on, I gave you that privilege to write stories according to you. I just helped you in understanding that what is not right, right? So, how do you feel that those story writing? Because I remember one thing that I have this tendency to ask you to write stories on regular basis, 2 stories a day. That is how I check. Because if I check in bulk, that will not help you to improve upon yourself. If I ask you to write 2 stories per day, that will improve you certainly. Like today, you are going to do certain mistake that you won't repeat on the next day, and therefore, in next 30 days, you're going to improve a lot. So, how do you feel that this thing was beneficial? Because this is something that lacks everywhere. This personal touch is not present in the coaching centers.
Ma'am, the last time I got conference out, and the psychology played a vital role in that, because I was writing something else from what I am. And the thing is, ma'am, psychology cannot change in a short term of any person. So same with happened with me also. Uh, you told me, or you helped me out in writing story in the right direction. The things which were already inside me, but I was not able to present. So slowly, with a month of 2 or 3, I think, I moved
Yeah, you
toward
did
that.
it for
So
right. You did it for 2 months. Like you started with a
yes,
month
ma'am.
initially, then you carry forward it for the second month that you want to do it again.
Yes, ma'am. So that's how I moved toward the right direction. And ma'am, so that's what I feel about it.
Okay, and talking about your SRTs, I would like that you tell the students, whoever is the aspirant who wants to know how to write SRTs. So, what is that main thing that you feel ki SRT mein this thing is important? This is the way you should handle the situation because every person feels that he is a hero in the SRTs, and I don't know how impractically they deal with such situations. Instead, you should act in a different way. You should think how practically you can do that, how in real life you can do that. So how do you feel that SRT should be done in this way or that way?
Ma'am, first, the very first thing which every candidate should remember is that we have to use commas, because uh, generally candidates start writing in long sentences, and because of that, they are not even able to complete that. So I was also making same mistake, if you remember.
Right,
So
right.
the first thing they have to remember that they have to use commas and use small sentences. And the second thing, ma'am, for the practical thing, they have to be the practical. Sometimes candidate thinks that maybe it will show that I'm not very much brave, or something, that I'm not facing the situation, or sometimes that I am running away from the situation. But we can't fight 10 goons single handedly.
Single-handedly. Right,
So
exactly.
those are the situation where we have to like find some other way that we can move away from there, and then taking help from someone else, and then confronting those goons. So it will be a
Exactly.
better situation. So
Right.
these are the
So
things.
basically, it's all about handling the situation tactfully, using the brains. That is it possible in real sense? Because after all, we are not Shah Rukh Khan, that we will deal with
Yes,
10
ma'am.
people
Yes,
at a
ma'am.
time.
That's what I want to say.
Right. So, Wasim, I would like to know the second thing from you, and that is you went and gave the interview. So, personal interview ke time pe, was there anything that you feel lagged in the course and you were not able to answer that thing or not able to give the example because you've been through the course also? Thereafter, you also took the mock interview.
Ma'am, talking about the course first. In your course, there was almost all question which generally common for all candidate, which the interviewer asked. So we can do self introspect for that and find frame our answers accordingly. So that was the thing, ma'am. But when I took the mock interview with you, uh, so that time you told me that I'm telling very too much about myself when interviewer asking some little things from me. So that thing I used there also in the interview. I used to speak the the amount which is required there.
Exactly.
Previously,
So
I
if
was
they're
used to talk
asking
a
you
lot.
that, right, if they're asking you to talk about alphabets, you used to go even to the words in the sentences. That was
Yes,
the
ma'am.
thing that was happening with you. You restricted yourself to what they're asking instead of,
Yes, ma'am.
because if you give them a lot of things, they will ask you a lot of questions out of it, and your 1 hour interview will land up to 1.5 hour, 1 hour 45 minutes, and that will of course be lethargic for you and for the interviewing officer as well.
That's the same thing happened with me last time, ma'am. I used to speak a lot. Interview was, I think he got bored of me.
Okay. I see. And Wasim, talking about the ground tasks. So, how exactly you handled all the ground tasks?
Ma'am, actually, found some pictures on internet and obviously on YouTube, ma'am. Used to pause that on the structure photo, and I used to make the structure or join the distance from myself. So these are the things help me out in preparation of GTO task, ma'am.
Because being a fresher or being a person who has never been to any kind of coaching, you need to know ki exactly hota kya hai. So that
Yes.
particular thing gives a lot of idea. Ki, okay, this is the way you need to go about it. Okay, Wasim. So, lastly, I would like to know one thing from you. Is there any special thing about you that you did and helped you out, and that you would like to share amongst all the people, or you may say inside SSB family, so that they also get a help out of it?
Yes, ma'am. One thing, ma'am, I think journal writing, maintaining a diary, or we can say journal, is very important, ma'am, because the same thing I did after getting conference out, ma'am. I wrote everything where in which I was lacking, and then I started sewing those things and working on that. So I think, ma'am, doing so that particular thing, it's very important for every candidate so that they can uh, find it out after some time and start working on that. So I think it's very important for everyone, ma'am.
Okay, that is great, Wasim. And Wasim, one more question from you. Usually, people have this ideology that you need to have extravagant English, you need to be so fluent, you should be a Britisher for SSB. So, do you think it implies to SSB? Because I can see you have very decent English, and your background also, you don't have defense background. People have this myth that people with defense background or people who live in cities or have very high-fi English, they only go and clear SSB and get recommended. Do you feel that it is right?
Ma'am, those candidates who are watching our interview, they have already got an idea about my English speaking skills. So I don't think it's very important there. But yes, you have to be a decent communication skill so that you can at least communicate with the interviewer.
Right.
So
You have to just convey your ideas, basically,
yes,
right?
ma'am, you can use your tutti frutti English. It's okay, but you
Okay.
have to at least conversate with him.
Agreed. Agreed. Okay. Thank you so much, Wasim, and I wish you all the very best. I
Thank
hope
you, ma'am.
that you will prove to be an amazing officer in the services, and all the best for your training. You're going to be an army cadet, if I'm right.
No, ma'am. My first preference is Navy, but let's
Okay.
see what I get.
Okay, so just merit has come. Let's see what do you get, and I hope that you will do extremely well even in academy. And I hope that you become a torchy there, and you become sergeant, and you will get sword of honor, and make us
Thank
very
you,
very
ma'am.
proud. All the best, and do well in your life. Thank you,
Thank
Wasim.
you
Thanks for
so
coming
much.
here.
Thank you so much, ma'am.